Okay, so the next one is a sumo deadlift. Sumo just means where you're gonna put your feet. Some people might laugh and joke and have a bit of a mess around with you. They said this is like the cheap version. It's fine, it's fine. So what you're gonna do, sumo is outside shoulder width stance. For some of you, that could be really, really wide. For others, it's just slightly in. As long as it's outside shoulders, you'll be okay. All right, from here, I'll put my toes to the corners of the room. This helps get your adductors more and more turned on. From here, roll the bar in. What you're looking to do, in terms of the distance, I like to have it so they're in line with my shoelaces and the gap. If I was to pull my socks up, it should be a couple of inches from there. Hands are gonna go on the inside, up. In terms of the knurling on the bar, I like, for this one, I like to have a narrow grip. I like to put the web of my hands, the outside web of my hand on the first knurling, okay, here, the first perforation. I'm gonna sit, drop my bum, make sure I'm level, everything's even, sit, chest up, set my shoulders, squeeze my core, and as I lift, bum in. Up, squeeze, bum in. That's your sumo deadlift.